Breaking health news, a case of bubonic plague has now been confirmed in Michigan. Dr. Parthanandi live in the newsroom with what we're learning about this, Doc.
Yeah, I think the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services says a person who recently returned from Colorado is the one who's tested positive. And the individual is one from Marquette County, which is in the UP. We're told that the person is recovering after receiving the appropriate treatment. Now, this is Michigan's first diagnosis of the plague and the 14th case reported nationally this year.
So, Doc, even though this person lives in the Upper Peninsula, talk about our cause for concern here in Metro Detroit.
The thing is, it's an important question because people are wondering, am I going to get the plague? And the answer is, probably not, because it's not spread person to person. It's very rarely spread person to person. It's, if you have infected flea bite that comes on, and rarely rodents, if you have a cut or a bite from a rodent, you can get that. But rarely from person to person can you get this. This person is up north, and even up north, if you have individuals that are there, they're rarely at risk for this disease.
And Dr. Nandi, can you remind us of what the bubonic plague does to you?
It could actually cause illness and actually can cause death. Over time, it has caused millions of deaths. But I think the important point is that people should not panic about the fact that they're going to have the bubonic plague. I think what we have to find out is, in Colorado, are there other cases of bubonic plague, and if so, then let's find the vector, where it's coming from, and eradicate it. In Michigan, we haven't had any reported cases, so this person most likely picked it up when they're in Colorado. Also, if you look at other cases in the UP, if there are none, I would not be able to think of there's any reason for concern right now.
All right, Dr. Nandi, thank you for the update.
My pleasure.
Carolyn.
All right.